Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Can you guys hear me? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get started here in just 9 minutes and 30 seconds. We're going to cover the evening session market open. Going to read all the breaking news. A lot of stuff happened today. I'm going to break it all down for you. Inventories, everything. Who's ready? Smash the like button if you're ready. Only 40 away from 100. Tap it if you're feeling wild tonight. Is silver going up or going down? Put it in chat right now. What do you guys think is going to happen when this market opens back up? We're going to cover it live here in just 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Who's with me?
Hotel room scale on the desk, counting every ounce I've kept. Airplane windows, dawn and dusk, dreaming about the next big chest. Desert markets, ocean ports, whispers in a hidden court, map lines reading folded corners, X mark secrets in the borders.
Who's ready? Guys, we're going to be live in just 8 minutes and 30 seconds, breaking it all down. The Comex market open live for the evening session. Breaking gold and silver news. We're going to do it together here. 8 minutes and 20 seconds away. Please smash that like button. If you guys like this music, you can find it on Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, everywhere, Amazon. Just search Intl-Stacker. Rock with me anytime, day or night. 8-minute warning. Grab a drink. 8-minute warning.
Old ship bell in a coastal town, a rusty safe getting dragged out now. Ancient coins in a dusty tray, shine 'em up, watch the years fall away. Border trains through the midnight haze, customs line, keep the nerves in place. Secret pockets sewn inside my coat, every bar another little vote.
7 minutes and 20 seconds. They used to laugh at me and call me a silver pumper, saying silver would never break $20 again. 30, then 40, then 50, then 60, all the way up to 120. Then they told me it was through, but I kept stacking. Do you have intestinal fortitude? Are you unshaken? Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna break it all down here in 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Who's with me?
From Tokyo nights
Who's still stacking?
to Rio sun,
Who believes the fundamentals haven't changed?
Arctic ice,
Who's ready for a fun live stream? That's a good question.
island drums.
Who's got intestinal fortitude?
Stamp on my page.
Ladies and gentlemen, just 6 minutes and 25 seconds till we're live. Smash that like button if you're excited.
Silver stacker,
Here we go.
answer the call. Voices rise like a tidal wall.
Let's go. Keep smashing that like button. It'll help so much. We're going to be live in just 5 minutes and 35 seconds, breaking it all down. Who's ready? Nice, Real Savage. That's awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, just 5 minutes and 10 seconds away till we're open. We're live for the Comex market silver open for the night trading session. We're going to be breaking it all down, breaking gold and silver news. So smash that like button, grab a drink, and prepare yourselves. Let's go. Chasing That MILF says his dog gets excited if they start to crab dance. That's funny. Yes!
Goals the glow. Stack it high.
Let's go!
Watch it grow.
Let's go!
Ways for all. Feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find.
Yes!
Treasure hunting, one of a kind.
Let's go!
Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Please tap, smash, roundhouse, kick, headbutt. Do whatever you got to do to that like button. It helps so much, gets us out to more people, more crustaceans. Smash the like. We're going to be live here in just 4 minutes. 4-minute warning here.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await. You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong, silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill.
3-minute warning. 3-minute warning. Tap that like. Let's go. Yes.
You're the best international stacker. Stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Nice chasing that MILF. That's epic.
Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
SGT stacking if we'll hit 100K by the end of the month. That's one day, SGT. I'm not sure if we could do that. We're going to fight for it, but that's one day. Oh, you mean next month? Ladies and gentlemen, we're just 2 minutes and 15 seconds away. If you're excited, let's get a crab dance going. Drop the crab in chat right now. Who's ready? Get your claws up! Yes! Let's get it. Who's ready for the Mega Gaw? Who's ready? Let's get it. 1 minute warning, 1 minute warning.
Tidal rhythms in the sand. Shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade.
Do you guys want the old school or little kid intro? Old school or little kid? Which one do you want? Let's go.
Your claws up in the sky.
Yes.
International stacker, he's our guy.
Let's go.
Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean.
Good to see you, Still City.
With me.
Yes, 30-second warning. Here we go. 30-second warning.
Dance with me. Dance with me.
Let's go, let's go. You guys want both of them, huh? A bunch of you want both. Both of the intros. That sounds just crazy to me.
Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver.
to find
Silver.
International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. You're not going to believe it. We are at 68,023 subscribers, guys. That means only 77 more subscribers until the next big show. So keep subscribing if you want to see that. 2,100 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. Just click videos, the latest. Guys, the last 3 videos I dropped are all heaters. You got to check them all out. They're all massive. If you're interested on what my setup looks like, if you go to shorts here, my very last short I posted, this shows what my entire live stream setup looks like. If you guys are so inclined, go check that out. I know some people have asked. Some people might be interested in that. There we go. That's fixed. Here we go. So let me let you guys know what happened today with silver. Silver today hit a high of 71.76. Almost 17. Look at that. It's almost 17.76, but 71.76. It hit a low today. This was actually last night. So it's a higher low today. The higher low today was 69.63. It closed on a green candle, a baby big green candle, but nonetheless, it's a greeny boy there. 70.12. So we'll see what happens when we open up here, guys. These charts are going to start to move in just about 18 minutes and 15 seconds. Oh, I forgot silver futures. That's what I forgot here. Silver future. I knew I forgot something. Silver futures. There we go. Let's get that up here. 70.18 silver futures. Let's pull this down here. We could be very quickly in backwardation. That is very close there. Okay, going to gold. Gold today had a wild ride as well. It hit a high of 4,580. It hit a low of 4. No, that was last night too. That was last night. So it was a lower low today at about 4,493. It also finished on a green candle, 4,510.65. Gold to silver ratio, 64.41 ounces of silver to every ounce of gold. Shanghai Futures Exchange opened, got as high as 81.46, as low as 79.21. It closed at 79.53. So we're at about a $9.40 premium from the east to the west right now, literally as we speak. And so far for the trading session, remember, yesterday's trading session is now over, and we're up 0.58%, so a little bit more than 0.5% on the trading session, the day trading session today on silver. On gold, we're up about 0.38% on gold. And here in just 17 minutes here, when the chart starts to move, these percentages are going to reset. This evening, when this opens, this is the start of the night trading session into tomorrow's day trading session. So we'll see what happens there. Kelly Gage, thank you so much, saying these are predictions out of 600. Okay, out of 600 and 1,000, out of 600 announced to 1,000 after the market reaction to Iran, everything is backwards. I think it might happen. Whoa, guys. First off, Kelly Gage, thank you for being a channel member and for that super chat. Kelly Gage says they think silver might go to 600 an ounce and to 1,000. What do you guys think there? That's pretty bullish. Michael Oliver actually agrees with you on the 600 part. And I'm going to cover that breaking news here in 1 second. Yeah, we'll just jump right into it now. So if you guys got questions, oh, I forgot to put this out. Guys, please go retweet this. I'm live now. Tweet on X. Please go retweet that. But I got some breaking news for you here. So hold your questions for me right now. You could definitely ask them of each other, but I'll be answering your questions here soon. Let me break down the news today. So first piece of news here, gold ticks higher as Iran war escalation remains front and center. Spot gold price rose about 0.39% today, and it actually ended up better than that, right? A little bit less, 0.38. 0.39 today, around 45.10, bouncing from last week's brutal lows of 4,000. Markets are watching the ongoing Middle East tensions closely, especially, after the fresh Houthi attacks and uncertainty around US-Iranian talks. Trump has extended the deadline but warned of strikes on Iranian power plants if progress stalls. Higher oil prices from the Hormuz disruptions are adding to inflation risks, yet stronger dollar and rate hike bets are still capping the upside for now. Silver also gained about 0.5% today, and it was actually better than that, right? Yeah, 0.58 now, so it did better. Here's the full article here from investing.com if you want to go read that. And that is a great article from investing.com, so make sure to go check that out. And really quick here. Let's go to the Strait of Hormuz and check it out with the boats. This is the live boat tracker. Yep, still not a ton of movement. They're probably all turning off their AIS when they do this. But guys, remember, this is so bad because 20 to 25% of the world's oil passes through here every day, or at least it used to. 25 to 30% of liquid natural gas. Aluminum, or as our friends overseas would say, aluminium. A large portion of the world's aluminum passes through there. Stuff for farming. A lot of important things. Let's go down here. Okay. Let's just go back to the news here. What is it for farming? Fertilizer. I couldn't remember the word fertilizer. I'm like, stuff for farming. Guys, here's a big deal here. Look at this. Germany just slashed silver content in its official Euro collector coins because prices are too high. The German government is cutting silver in its 35 euro and 50 euro collector coins by up to 46% as silver prices move high. Guys, we're to the point now in the timeline where governments are literally debasing their collector's coins, their numismatic coins. That's where we're at in the timeline right now. And they're replacing some silver with more copper and reducing the coin weight to keep costs down and to discourage speculation. Isn't that wild? I thought that was a pretty wild story, so I wanted to include that in here. Even governments are feeling the pain of higher silver prices and are quietly debasing their own commemorative coins. Meanwhile, stackers are still paying full spot. Some undersought, some with premium, and stacking the physical silver to the sky. There's the full article there if you want to go read it. Again, follow me on X, previously known as Twitter, Intl-Stacker, international when it fit. Now, guys, here's a very controversial one. Here is something that's absolutely insane, and I want to show you the chart first, okay? So this is futures market. This is open interest. And you've got a large amount of calls here. Look at puts, calls and puts in this red box. What this means is this is the silver price down here. This is for the end of the year in December. And you've got a lot of bets on $900 silver, $1,000 silver, $800 silver by the end of the year. What in the world is going on and what does it all mean? So here we go. This is what I got for you right here. Did I miss something? I just want to make sure. Okay, I didn't miss it. Okay, cool. Our insiders stacking huge December 2026 silver calls at $900 strike. That's calling for a potential 12x move in under 9 months. These aren't cheap retail lottery tickets with sophisticated money. When sophisticated money piles into far out of the money calls at this scale, it rarely is just random gambling. Sometimes it is, but it's rarely random gambling. With the Comex vault still draining, China aggressively pulling physical silver, and structural deficits getting worse every quarter, the pieces are lining up. Crustacean Nation, are these the big players front-running the next violent parabolic leg for silver? Or is this just some smart hedging or some gambling? What do you guys think? But here's Pure Metal saying insiders buying $900 calls. Silver's at 70. That's 12x in 9 months. Crazy. And here we go again. This is in response to MBA Economics. He's a crustacean, by the way, guys. MBA Economics is a crustacean. He's saying Wall Street is accumulating $15,000 to $20,000 call options on gold and $7,000 to $1,000 call options on silver in December. Everything is coming together. Are you positioned? So he said that, and here's my kind of analysis on top of that. Wall Street placing massive tail risk bets on gold and silver exploding higher by December 2026. Huge open interest has built up in December 2026. Gold calls all the way up to $15,000 to $20,000 strikes. Similar, though smaller, ultra bullish call activity is also showing up for silver, 700 to 1,000. These aren't normal hedges. They're cheap lottery ticket style bets that only pay off massively if we see a true monetary reset or violent parabolic move in precious metals. With the recent central bank gold buying, silver's ongoing structural deficits, and continued drains, everything is lining up. Guys, are they just gambling or do they know something we don't know? Put gamble in chat if you think that. Put something strange if you think it's something else. So here's today's inventory report published by yours truly. And interesting thing today, we had zero change in the registered. Remember this top column here, registered, that's the silver that can be delivered. So when you look here at the Comex and you see they've got 54 more contracts for delivery this month, like the 72,000 contracts, that's like over 300 million ounces. The only place that can come from is registered, and it's now down to 68 or 76 million. But look at today, over almost 708,000 ounces left the eligible territory, and that was from C&T Deposit, lost 102,000. HSBC Bank lost 605,000 today. So here's what I said. I said Comex vaults keep bleeding. Another 708,000 ounces drained. Fresh report as of today. Big hits came from HSBC and C&T, like we just spoke about. The physical metal continues to flow out of the system, this time from eligible owner-hold storage. This is not normal paper noise. Large eligible drains often signal private holders losing confidence in Comex vaults and pulling their silver out entirely. So yeah, that's another crazy one there. You know what else is crazy, guys? I'm giving away a bunch of gold, silver, and copper. I'm giving away everything in this treasure chest. We're up to over 30 ounces of silver. Look, Silvertown bars. We've got graded American Silver Eagles. We've got Tim and Yankee stacking round. So over 30 ounces of silver so far. It's going to keep building. We've got premium gold in here as well. Look, all the silver. Look at this. For Canadians, my Canadian friends, we have a Canadian silver Superman coin in there. Look, we got all this stuff. We got these. Valcambi 100 grams. We got Germanium Mint Premium Silver. I mean, guys, this giveaway is going to be absolutely insane. I've got gold in there I was trying to find. I've got copper in there. All you got to do is subscribe. Who's ready for the mega guy? Who's ready for the mega giveaway? Subscribe, turn on those notifications because you're certainly not going to want to miss that. And I did miss a super chat. Thank you so much to David Knight, saying, wow, just like what Rome did with their silver coins, diluted the silver from them. We came, we stacked, we conquered. Hope you're a good IS. I am, David. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for that super chat. That was a heavy one. It weighed 5 pounds. Whoa. Thank you so much. And going to the coin scope here, here's what he's talking about, guys. These are Roman coins from different eras, and you could see as the silver got debased from them, the coins got a little bit darker and darker. And many attribute to the debasement of their currency with helping expedite the fall of Rome. Okay, really quick here. I think silver took off December, January. So J65 saying, I think silver took off during December and January because the U.S. military knew it was going to Iran and told the missile manufacturers to get ready now. It could be. I mean, that could be part of it. But look at this. The shift away from oil just got a whole new meaning. It's now a massive national security power move. So I want you guys to open your mind here and give me your opinion at the end, but open your mind, push your biases to the side. Let me read this to you. For years, they told us the push for renewables and EVs, electric vehicles, was about being green energy. But another possible driver has been pointed out: energy security. Oil and gas must be imported every single day through dangerous choke points like the Strait of Hormuz here. And remember, guys, this is only like 20 to 21 miles wide at its widest. That's why it's so risky. One conflict, one blockade, one entire okay. It all takes is one conflict, one blockade, and entire economies get hammered worldwide. Price spikes and shortages. Meanwhile, you import a solar panel or electric vehicle, you only have to do that once. The current chaos in the Middle East with Hormuz is exposing just how vulnerable daily oil dependency really is, and it's turbocharging the transition for strategic reasons, not just environmental ones. So, when your energy supply can be cut off by war or sanctions, green may be becoming secondary to survival and independence. So basically what this article is arguing for is because of the oil disruptions that more countries are going to move towards green technologies, and even more people are going to move towards green technologies because they don't want to pay the increasing gas price. They don't want disruptions, national security reasons for countries. So I said here, I get the premise of this article. And do you think some people will go green to avoid this chaos? But I'm not certain if it will be wide scale. What do you guys think? So do you guys think this chaos is enough to make a country switch back to green energy, going back to green energy? What do you think? Thank you so much, Kelly, for gifting one international stacker membership. And that got gifted to B Collector Rick. Say thank you to Kelly. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. The next time I do a channel member only live stream in the war room, you will get invited to that war room. Members only here on YouTube. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. And if you guys missed, if you missed the stream this morning, we had Backyard Bullion on, and he broke 100,000 subscribers live on stream. So thank you everybody for supporting him. And he's giving away 1 kilo of silver and some silver crustaceans. So you need to go follow Backyard Bullion if you're not, because you definitely want to be in for the kilo. Okay, it's gonna be amazing. And Josh saying, just got my 5-ounce Germania silver bar today. Should I remove the plastic on or just, I would leave it on because it's got its certificate and stuff on there. I would leave the plastic on. I would leave it on. But just know that Viola touched that silver bar.
Yep. What's the robot's name?
Viola.
Viola.
Ladies and gentlemen, she's different. Yeah, if the plastic has like a certificate or a serial number on it, then I'll keep it on. Otherwise, if it doesn't have any of that, I would take it off. But germanium, it comes with like a serial on there, I believe. Whew. Okay, guys, this market's going to be opening here just in 3.5 minutes. I did want to say a quick shout out. Got a good opportunity for you guys. You guys oftentimes ask what stocks I'm invested in. Again, not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. And I'd usually read them off my phone. So I just got access to Investor Pro from investing.com, and I really like it because it does stuff like here. Let's look for First Majestic. It says it's fair value labels fair. It tells me fair investing pro possible down and upside. It tells me it's undervalued. It tells me its overall health is great. It's got things like PE ratio, that's price earnings and stuff, but then you could click on it and you could get way more information on each silver and gold company if you invest in the paper market. Now, I'm not an advocate for the paper market until your physical stack is on point. I waited till my physical stack was on point before I put any kind of money into a paper stock, but I put it into some stocks because I'm like, well, that could be some leverage here. Now, individual companies, they can go bankrupt, they can go broke, they can go kaput. But that's one reason physical silver is so awesome, and I'm such an advocate of it. Zero counterparty risk. This can't be liquidated. This can't be margin called. This can't be taken away. It's 100 ounces no matter what. All the companies could go out of business and you still have it. So that's why I'm such an advocate of that. But if you want a really good software to dig deep in this, you can go here. They have ProPix AI, and they do different profiles here for tech, energy. If you're interested on this energy play we're seeing with the war, best of Warren Buffett, all kinds of stuff, and even an AI that will talk to you and you can ask it financial questions. Does that make it a financial advisor? I don't know. But check it out. I secured you guys a crazy deal. I did a partnership with investing.com, so thank you so much. Link is in the description below. Coupon code International Stacker gets you 15% off an already amazing deal. I think they're offering like 50% off already for a year subscription, and then you can stack the 15% on top of that, and it helps the channel, so thank you. Check out that link, but it's pretty cool. And for me, it's a great way to keep it organized. So now when you guys ask what I'm invested in, I could show you. So for those wondering what I'm invested in, I'm invested in SILJ, AGAGF, ASM, CDE, EXK, AG, FSM, GDTR, GROY, GLDG, HL, AGAGF, UEC, which is uranium play, UROY, which is a uranium play. I think there's a lot of future with uranium, guys. USGO and UUUF. So that's what I'm in. So I thought you guys might, do you guys appreciate that I'm share that with you? A lot of YouTubers won't. A lot of folks in the space won't. I believe in being as transparent as I can. Do you guys appreciate that I share that with you? But also caution you to be careful with stocks in the paper game until your physical is on point. Physical is king. Shields are made of metals. Lynette Zhang says gold and silver. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just 30 seconds away from the market open. I got to switch to Pyth, so please, guys, remind me in about 5 minutes to switch back to Oneida. I've got to switch back to Pyth here. Where's Pyth? Where's Pyth? Okay, 10 seconds. Here we go. 10 seconds. Alert, 5 seconds. There's Pyth. Okay, we're going to be opening now. The market is open right now, and here we go. Pyth is moving on a green candle. Green candle is $70.12 on Pyth. Wordy up 0.04% on the day. as we're building this green candle, guys, and it's getting bigger. I think we need to help this along a little bit, guys. I think we need to do something crazy here.
Okay, I'm gonna try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I thought I was going to be like Chubbs from Happy Gilmore. Look at that. It's known. Some scientists say 90% of the time, every time a baby gator call can turn a red candle to a green candle or a green candle to a BGC. And ladies and gentlemen, we've got a BGC forming here. It's science.
It's science.
As we're going higher here, $70.24. Let's check on gold. Gold's got a green candle as well, $4,514. And we are live on Facebook. So if you're watching on Facebook, hello, thank you. Good to see you guys. Look at that. Okay, Rich Mitch is saying, thank you for the super chat, being a channel member. Please advise, should I get 7165 Britannia 2025 or 6696 New Way 2023? I'm in Britain, by the way. What is the New Way coin? Rich Mitch, what is the New Way coin? That depends. That depends. Let me know what the New Way coin is. Let me convert that. 7165, so GBP to USD. Let's convert that. Pound sterling, I love that. 71. Backyard Bullion and I were talking about that earlier. 71. 94.46 versus 94.36.88. You know, guys, there's tax implications here and in the UK. Can you get one of them tax free, or do you have to pay tax on both? Rich, are they tax free or have to pay tax on both? That's going to help me help you decide there. A good non-financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. As silver's pushing higher, even yet, $70.23. So silver is up right now, 0.17% on the day trading session, the evening that just started 2 minutes ago. Gold's up 0.1%, 4,516. And I'm trying to see if Rich Mitch is going to give me a little bit more information here so I can answer his question appropriately. Because, guys, you might not know. We talked about this morning. Silver in England, you got to pay a 20% VAT tax on it. 20%. So if one of them comes with the VAT and one doesn't, that might help you. But also, I believe in England, if you go to sell a Britannia later, I think it's tax-free. So you might do the Britannia just because it's tax-free. But if the other one's price, if you have to pay a 20% tax on top of one and not the other, that might help you make that decision. We got a BGC forming here, guys. $70.37. Pushing higher on a green candle here on silver. And thank you so much. 1,100 people in the stream. Oh, and I forgot to mention it. If anyone is interested in taking advantage of that deal from Investing Pro that I was able to secure for y'all from investing.com, the link is in the description below. So go click it, see it. Big discount, though. It's annual or even a 2-year membership could get you a very cheap price. Merlin says, VAT on silver, but Britannia is capital gains tax-free. Don't know about the... Okay. So, it's Equilibrium Yin Yang Corporation. No, okay. I would do the Britannia, Rich Mitch, because it's tax-free. I would do it because it's tax-free. If you're going to have a big stack of them and selling them, you don't want to get hit with the tax, so I would do Britannia for your situation. But the question is it GA tax exempt? Because the GA goblin always gets their due, and the Mega GA is coming. Who wants some free silver or gold? Put free in chat right now. Who wants it? I gave away over 100 ounces of silver in 2025, some copper, some gold, 800 1/2 gold backs in collaboration with goldback.com. Thank you. Gave away this year 30 ounces of silver, some gold and copper. Mega GA's coming in the not too distant future. We've got over 30 ounces of silver in there. We got gold in there. We got probably 30, 40 ounces of copper in there. And guys, I've done giveaways for so long in this channel. I've given away multiple kilo bars of silver to first place. So all you got to do is subscribe. Turn on those notifications if you'd like that free silver. And guys, we are at 68,034 subscribers. So only 66 more subscribers until the next big show here. And some say if you haven't seen a big show, you haven't lived.
It's science.
There we go. Okay, let's see if Oneida's back. Okay, Oneida's up. Here we go. This is why I love it. Look, guys, we had a gap up. We had a gap up. Remember, all gaps must be filled. Ooh, Mrs. IS just brought in packages from the P.O. box. How are you, Mrs. IS? Ladies and gentlemen, I usually tell Mrs. IS she's a 10, but today she's a 12. Okay, so all gaps must be filled here. 95% of the time. Remember, some like 5% of the time they're not. Like if you go to Tesla, there's some gaps in Tesla that like the price would have to dramatically collapse to fill it. But the good news is it looks like we're about to fill it right now. Whoops, I don't want to do that. It looks like we're literally about to fill it right here. Hopefully we can touch down and fill it and then bounce back. This orange line is the gap that needs to be filled with silver. So there we go. And I did miss something. Thank you so much. Whoa! Mud Puppy Forge, thank you so much for becoming a Diamond Claw member. I appreciate all the subscribers here, all the channel members, all the Diamond Claw members on the screen right now. It's because of viewers like you that I could do what I do. This is my full-time job. Thank you so much. And the question is, everyone in chat, who hit right now in chat has Diamond Claws? Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's got it? Okay. Yeah, we're probably big time in backwardation. Let's see. 70.18 right there. Yeah, we are in backwardation. We are in backwardation. Okay, let's fix gold. Let's go to Oneida on gold. Let's see if we gapped here as well. Yeah, look, gold gapped as well. We gotta, that's why I love Oneida, guys. It is the best chart. Okay, we've got a gap here to fill on gold. All in technical analysis, all gaps must be filled. Really, though, again, 95% of the time, honestly. Okay, we got a gap there to fill. Hopefully we could fill both these gaps now before we run higher here. Who's got Diamond Claws? Oh, I got a question for you. I got a question for you guys. Who wants this American Silver Eagle right now from 2025? Who wants this? And who wants this one from 2024? Who wants these two? Guys, unfortunately, one of you, a crustacean, wanted these. So he bought 4 of them. And then he bought this Morgan. And then he bought a whole stack of peace dollars. And he sent it to me. And they're all fake. He bought them off eBay. Buyer beware, guys. There's fakes everywhere right now. All the silver and gold I'm going to be giving you guys in the Megaga right there, all this stuff, it is 100% real. It is verified. But there's so many fakes out there in the market. You got to really be careful on eBay. You got to be careful on Whatnot. Another channel member on Whatnot, ladies and gentlemen, just got cheated out of 2 ounces of gold. He's still fighting for his money back 3 weeks later. A fake gold eagle and a fake pamp, guys. The more the price of silver and gold goes up, and we're up 0.11% on silver right now and 0.08% on gold. Gold up 0.08 is legally drunk, guys. Gold is up 0.08%. It's legally drunk. But anyways, be careful, guys. You got to protect yourselves. Fakes are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American Silver Eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the Crustacean Nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the Pocket Pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too. So thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. And somebody said that eBay will refund him. Well, here's the problem. He bought 3 different auctions. Two of the profiles were gone by the time he figured it out. The third, he did a case with eBay, and they only refunded 30% of the money. So you can't always count on getting a refund back from eBay. Totally dirty. But there's good sellers on eBay, guys. You got to look for people who've been on there a long time, have great feedback, but always trust but verify. Take your stuff to a local coin shop, get it tested. Be careful buying online. Good news here. Silver, we filled the gap, so we don't have to worry about that anymore with silver. And we got what's still looking like a possible BGC form in here. $70.21 silver. Gold. Yep, we filled the gap on gold, so we did the same thing here, and we're about to push higher in gold at 4,515. I've got a few more pieces of news here I wanted to cover for you guys. So this one's a pretty epic one here. Michael Oliver just dropped a nuclear prediction on silver, and it's wild. The veteran momentum analyst says silver is breaking out from its decades-long range and entering a new reality, ladies and gentlemen. His call? When the dam finally breaks, silver could explode to $300 to $500 an ounce. He points out sorry guys, I was turning on the fan. I was hot. I was trying to do 2 things at once. He points out that after adjusting for massive monetary debasement since 1980 and 2011, silver would need to hit the hundreds just to regain its old purchasing power. Wow. So that's another piece of news here. Go watch the video here. This short links to the full length video if you guys want to watch that, but it's a pretty epic thing. Pretty epic story there. Are you guys still here? Did the stream crash? Are you guys here? So I said here, Catherine Austin Fitz just called out the biggest scam in history, and she's 100% right. The Federal Reserve isn't federal. It has no reserves. It has zero gold backing. It's a private banking cartel that prints endless debt out of thin air, creates inflation as a hidden tax, and keeps generations trapped in financial slavery. This isn't money. It's actual full control. We are the debt slaves, unfortunately. Okay, good. You guys are here. Thank you. Thank you. The only real answer is sound money you can hold in your hands, physical gold and silver. It can't be printed. It can't be rehypothecated by these guys, the big bankers. And I did pay the bankers a little bit of a visit earlier. So if I'm not live streaming tomorrow, it might be because the authorities picked me up.
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm! Wow. Oh my God! Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
And Orda in chat says people are faking mercury dimes. Yeah. This bag grows every day. You guys, crustaceans, send me coins. I check coins for people. If you got stuff to check, email me if you're a channel member, and I'll help you out. And it makes great content. But look at these. No. Yes. Look at this. Fake mercury dime. Fake mercury dime. How disgusting is this? I've heard of fake Roosevelts. Guys, it's getting crazy. Protect yourselves for the love of God. Okay, today in monetary history, March 30th, 1795, the U.S. Mint makes its first delivery of flowing hair half dimes. America's very first circulating silver coins hit the streets. 1867, Alaska Purchase Treaty signed. U.S. pays Russia with $7.2 million in gold. Guys, that was a great deal because there's so much more gold in Alaska. That was a great deal there. Okay, let's go back to here. So it's going to be an interesting trading session today. It started out explosively, but we're getting some downward pressure on gold and silver. So we're probably going to be suffering some attacks, some crab walking, sideways movement all throughout the evening. We'll see what happens this evening, though, as we all sleep. The DXY, let's take a quick look at that. And it's still sitting at over 100, but it's definitely starting to change a little bit. We are starting to get this downtrend develop here with the DXY. That's the dollar index. So remember, if this goes higher, it's negative bearish pressure on gold and silver. If it goes lower, it's positive Oh, I just deleted silver. Oh my gosh. It's positive bullish pressure. Hold up. Let me fix this. AG. XAG. XAG USD. There we go. I clicked save by mistake. And we got Richard Metcalf. He's been a member for 6 months. Thank you so much, Shane. Stop the melt. Buy 90%. Yeah. 90% you could get great price right now, guys. You get great deals. You get under spot significantly if you go to the right place. If you've got a question, put it in chat. I will go to a question and answer session right now. I'll answer all your questions to the best of my abilities. And I got 2 packages here to open. Wow. Do you guys want me to open these packages now and show you what's inside? What is this? J65 saying, International Stacker, when it falls, start the truck up. When it falls, start the truck up, back it up, and load it up. Totally agree with you. Guys, Rat Stacker got a package in the mail. She's going to be ecstatic. I wonder if it's Gotax. I wonder. All right, I'm opening the first package. I can't open the second one because it's addressed to Rat Stacker. So we're going to have to get her to open that one later. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay, I got the box open, but before I show you guys what's inside, thank you so much to Alan. Alan, thank you so much for gifting 5 memberships. Those went to Nguyen, Shepard, Turtle Trader X, Doobie, and Professor. You guys just got free memberships. Say thank you to Alan. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. The next time I do a war room, which the next one will be tomorrow morning, all channel members get access to the war rooms here on YouTube. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. But tomorrow morning, I'll do a war room after the morning stream. And then Sunday evening, I will do a war room at the end of the day. So I like to do one in the morning and the day. Whoa. Okay, what's going on here, guys? Guys, I think we just got something in the mail for the Mega Gaw. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, wow. Wow. 1 second here. These are cool. Rat Stacker's gonna love these. Hold up. Let me get it organized. Who wants to see something added to the mega giveaway right now? Okay. Let me just make sure. Let me open this up. Oh, man. Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I just got, for the first time ever, I bought these. I paid full price for these. The 1/4 gold backs. Look at these little cuties. Look at how like cute they are. They're so small. I wasn't talking about the girl on there. Don't tell that to Mrs. IS. I was not talking about her. I was talking about how small these are. These are the little new 1/4 gold backs. I do like them. So I got a bundle, but guys, shout out 𝗚𝗡𝗩𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗏. He sent a set. Look at that. Almost face revealed there. Idaho 1 gold back, Idaho 1/2 gold back, and Idaho 1/4 gold back. Should I put it in the box? You guys got 3 seconds to tell me to drop it. 3, 2. Oh, you're already putting drop it. You're on top of it. Should I add one more? Do you guys want me to add one more? 3, 2, drop it. 2 sets. Wow, thank you so much, 𝗚𝗡𝗩𝗘𝗦𝗧𝗏. Guys, make sure you say thank you to 𝗚𝗡. Oh my gosh, and I got something else here. Wow. And 2 Buffalo Nickels. He sent a couple Buffalo nickels, so let's throw those in the giveaway. They're not silver, but they're still fun. Those are in the giveaway. Yes. And you guys, 𝗜𝗡𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗏 is one of you. He's a crustacean, and he had a dream, and he went after it, and he's doing it. It's Red Dirt Reserve LLC. This is not a paid sponsorship. This is where I buy my goldbacks. He tends to have the best deals on the internet. They don't continually update prices like, you know, the big boys. AppMex does every like 10 seconds. But he has got great prices, and he's one of you, a crustacean. So check him out if you're wanting to get some goldbacks. Red Dirt Reserve LLC. I love when crustaceans make businesses. So if you got a gold and silver business, email me. As long as you're subscribed, email me. I'd love to take a look at it. And if it passes the sniff test, I'd love to show it on stream and help you out. Bring some eyes on it. Love doing that. Yes. Okay, let's see what else you guys are saying here. So that was a quick little opening there. Pretty cool. Okay, people are demanding the baby gator as we're getting... Oh, no, guys. This is definitely a shark's fin. Guys tell me what to do on all those live streams. It wasn't that long ago that I was in the Great Pyramids of Giza, and you all told me to get on a camel.
Take the camel, guys. Camel cam, guys. Eshesam here.
The name Daisy.
Daisy the camel, guys. There girl. Oh, wow. Look at the 3 pyramids, guys.
But you taught me something in Boca Raton, Florida.
Okay, I'm going to try
the
to
baby
do the
gator.
baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
Some scientists say 90% of the time, every time, it turns a red candle green or a green candle into a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, it's science.
It's science.
Yes. Are you guys buffering? Is the connection okay? 𝗜𝗡𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗡𝗦𝗧𝗏 saying best place on the internet. Thank you so much for the super chat. Thank you. Do you guys, can you see this? Is the connection unstable? I'm getting an alert here from YouTube. Is my connection unstable? Please let me know. Okay, it's okay now. It buffered a little bit. Okay. Okay. Guys, YouTube might take us down. If it crashes, it's YouTube. They had an error earlier. We had over 2,000 people on the morning stream. It said we had 1 person watching. So they're doing upgrades that can make things funny. So if it cuts, I'm sorry. But we're going to keep going here. Okay. Silver's pushing back. Guys, it turned from red to green. The baby gator worked.
It's science.
Wow. Okay, now it's back to red. It's back to red. Oh, no. See what you guys are saying here on X. It buffered you into a commercial. That's funny. Look at this. International Stacker. This is from Ty. Watching the stream on the big screen while playing with my stack. What's your thoughts on these silverbacks? Graded. Cool, man. Am I into the silverbacks? Not necessarily. Like, I don't stack them. Are they fun for collectors? Sure. Can there be some money to be made on them for collecting? I think so. So I don't stack the graded ones. I did pick up a graded goldback not too long ago. I'll pull it up. Because I think this puppy's gonna be a good flip later. So I picked this guy up, the Washington, D.C. Goldback Limited PF70 or PMG 70. Now, there's only 250,000 of this design because it's for America's 250th birthday out of D.C. But look, there's the first 2,500 have the colorized shield. See how that shield's different colors? Only the first 2,500 have those. So I think this is going to be worth something. So I bought this as a potential flip in the future. But yeah, I think the silverbacks are cool. I think they're great for collectors. I don't stack them, but there might be some opportunities. They're beautiful designs. I gave one away in the last Megaga. Silver updates live now. Don't miss it. Thank you, Herbal Awareness. Alexa's saying those vaults are empty. You are watching a shell game. Probably right. Get her done, says heightening Phoenix there. Stagecoach, a silver breakaway bar for when you need to get out of Dodge. Yep, I broke one of those on a live stream. It was actually difficult. By the way, I've got the other half of this, so 2 1/4 ounces are in the Megaga. I threw it in that that treasure chest. It's a race. Everyone wants to be first, says Eric here. Look at this. Wow. Okay, I got a few things. Hold up. So really quick in chat, Jimmy Reefer saying, unfortunately, Mr. IS, your live stream is too awesome. You have activated our bankers from YouTube. Whoa. Jay says, I have goldbacks. They're from Wyoming, Utah, and Florida, all kinds of different ones. Haven't seen anybody in with Wyoming goldbacks. Are they any good? Any goldback is good. Did they do Wyoming yet? I don't remember if they did Wyoming or not. They got to do them. But if they do them, it'll be great. I sent you a gator this morning. Thank you, Colleen. And look at this, guys, from Jason. Hey, bud, stopped at the refinery today to trade some of my homegrown silver for buffaloes and 2 eagles. Look at that. Wow, cool, Jason. Look at those buffs. Look at that gold. Wow. Here's the question for all of you. Are you still stacking? Jason is. So cool, Jason. That is a purchase. 2 gold eagles. Those look like proofs as well. Those look like proof. I like to put these little pointy fingers. Boop. Okay. Oh, guys, look at this. Oh, wait, hold up. I collected a gold and silver $100 replica from ATMEX a while ago. Are they worth it? Whatever the fraction spotter price. I collected a gold and silver $100 replica. Jerome, are you talking about goldbacks or other foil currency? I don't like any other foil currency. The only foil currency I do get is the goldbacks. Next goldbacks release will be Colorado, then California, says Northampton. Thank you. Okay, Michael here. Wait. Yeah. Is saying Viola has begun minting her own coin. Whoa, guys, look at Viola. This is Viola 3.0. The bankers are terrified of her. What is going on in that scene? I don't know. IS is live right now, says Colts. Thank you. Blue Shadow says we're live. Sicilian Stacker says on right now. 1933 is saying, can you please define the underlying security? There are no exchange traded options with those striked prices. I think he got confused because I think I talked about national security in here. Okay, there are no options on futures in gold or silver with those strikes. They are. I mean, it's on the charts. These are like future bets you can put down, and it's like a gamble. If they hit, it pays big. If it doesn't, you lose it. I'm not quite sure your question, 1933, so please elaborate a little bit. I'll answer it to the best of my ability. Where'd you an ounce of silver at 300 and not in the world you want to live in? I mean, Milan is saying a world where an ounce of silver is $300 an ounce is not a world you'd want to live in. I heard the same thing at 100. I heard the same thing at $100 an ounce, and last I checked, we're here. The cities are not, well, most cities are not on fire. We got a green candle here on silver, back over 70.03. Gold on a green candle as well, 45.09. Keep smashing that like button, guys. We're only 60 away from 500. We're only 55 subscribers away from the next big show. The next time I will be live will be in the morning, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to cover the market open. Do not miss it. It's going to be epic, dare I say mega. And let's go here to YouTube. Idaho series is a mega only, every GB. Oh, guys, don't forget they discontinued the 100. The 100 gold back has been discontinued. They'll still take it. Shops and businesses will still take it. They're just not making anymore. Let's see, guys. Who are we going to raid? Do you know any small content creators in the gold and silver niche that are on right now that we could go raid? It's supposed to be a blessing, not a curse. Ooh, what is this? A new channel. Look at this. Let's see.
I'm gonna give that one away right now. Giving that one away right now. Somebody in chat.
Hold up, though. Is he on YouTube or like whatnot? Let's see here.
Well, good luck, everybody in chat. If you're lurking, now's the time to say something in chat because it will only pick
Hold
a
up.
winner from someone talking in chat. I'll give you a second.
All right, I'll have to come back there and check. He's got on subscriber only mode. That's not ideal. I wonder if he's on YouTube. Do you guys think he's on YouTube or is this whatnot?
Oh, yeah, and the other day when I was talking about the dollar coins, whoever was with us.
Let's see.
there, here's one of those
Brad V is live.
near date 1979 to see how close.
Let's see who Brad V is. Brad V Silver? What's Brad V's name? What's Brad V's name? Gonna need more than that. Okay, cool. Here we go. What? Let's see this. Hold up, hold up.
Well, good luck, everybody in chat. If you're lurking, now's the time to say something in chat because it will only pick a winner from someone talking in chat. So I'll give you a second.
Okay,
to
let's
say
see if he'll
something in
answer
chat,
me. Hold up.
And that's we'll give away this quarter. Right there.
Are you live on YouTube right now?
Yeah, and the other day when I was talking about the dollar coins, whoever was with
Let's see if
us
he's
in
live.
there, here's one of those.
This would be a pretty good. This would be a pretty good channel to raid, but
date.
I got to get him to turn off subscriber mode.
1979 to see how close the one is to the line, to the rim. They call that the wide rim near date.
So we'll see what he says.
That's one of them right there.
Silver on a green candle 7011.
Found it when I was looking through.
Gold on a green candle 4516. Both trending back up.
Chip on the roof. Man, that quarter's got a lot happening to it right now.
I don't know if he's live on YouTube or not. Is he live on YouTube or whatnot? Oh, I got made a moderator.
Reverse, missing detail at the edge. E-plur was visible, edge cracks. There's a bunch of die cracks. Probably all over that coin.
Okay. Let's just do you guys want to do it? Do you guys want to crab rate him? He's doing a giveaway right now.
I wrote a lot down on that one. There was a lot happening.
You're going to have to subscribe, though, because he's got subscriber only mode turned on. Do you guys want to do that or no?
Scrap metal.
Let's go here.
Congratulations, scrap metal.
I don't usually like rating channels that have subscriber only mode on, because I want you guys to be able to choose if you want to subscribe, and it slows down the raid significantly. It like delays it by a minute.
No need to claim it. I got your address. Unless your address has changed, I'll mail this
Because I'm not seeing any other small creators on. I know. I was trying to get him to talk to me to turn off subscriber only mode. I think I'm not going to raid him, guys. Because subscriber only mode messes up the raids. It messes up the raids. You know what I mean? So here's what we're going to do. Okay, let's take a vote in chat. Do you guys still want us to try even though it's on subscriber only mode? The only way you'll be able to chat is you'll have to subscribe and wait 1 minute, okay? So if you still want to rate him, put 1 in chat. If you don't want to rate him, put 2 in chat. But if you don't want to rate him, we have nobody else to raid. See here. Yeah, I think we'll just have to. I think we're just gonna not find anyone to raid tonight. Oh, what is this? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Is this guy live? No, it's not live. Okay. All right, guys. I'll be live 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you for all the new subscribers. 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Who's with me? Who am I going to see in the morning? Thank you, everybody, so much. And I guess we'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming Make-A-Go. Tons of silver, some gold, tons of copper. Who's going to win it?